Hello, good evening. A lot of people have been asking about how to trade meta futures. We want to take the opportunity to use this video to explain few steps they need to go through before they can trade meta futures. First of all, log into your meta futures account if you already downloaded the app. Then you need to bind your API first, so you'll click bind API. If you click on bind API, it will take you to this page. Then you choose Binance because currently we are using Binance. Then you click on Binance, it will open. When it opens, you will see API key and secret key. I have already bind mine here, so that's why you are seeing it that way. So you copy this and paste it from Binance. If you go to Binance, you first of all will click more like this. Then you scroll down. Then you click API management. When it opens, you choose a name suitable for you. You can choose any name. At this column here, it's so simple. This part, that's where you need to choose your name and click create API. You are going to see message about whether you use Google authentication or phone notification or email notification. Then it will allow you to create your API like I did here and created Meta. Now, when it's created, the first thing you need to do is copy your secret key and go back on Meta Futures platform and paste it down where it has written secret key. Then you go back to Binance and then you click edit as is indicated here. Then you scroll down. When you scroll down, you see where I have enabled this one, enable features. Kindly take note, if you have not created futures account, you won't see enable features here. So you click enable features. After you enable features, you go down and you see this portion. You choose here, restrict access to trust IP only. That one too, you choose that one. The moment you choose that one, it will tell you to copy the IP address. You go back to Meta Futures platform, then you copy this code you see here and go back on Binance and go and paste it and click confirmed. After that, you come up here. At that time, here will not be edit, it will be save. Then you click save. After you save that one, then you come back and copy your API key. If you copy your API key, you go back to Meta Futures and paste this top here. Then you click send code and the 4-digit code you are going to receive, you paste it here. If you do that one finish, you take this box, small box you see here. Please do it and you click bind API. That's all. You finish binding your API. You see successful message. And it will take you back to home or dashboard, as you can see. When you come here, first thing you need to do is switch between live and demo account at this point. So you click this one, and if it is demo you are using, you choose practice. Now you see my demo account, I have 10,000 USDT. That's how it works. Now you are done with this one. you need to do some settings in your application. So the first settings you need to do is you come here, choose this analytical. When you choose this analytical, it's so simple. It will open the market for you like this. When it open market for you like this, then you look at up here. You see there's settings here. Then you click that settings. Sorry, because of the recording, it's not coming. Good. It has come now. Now, first thing you need to do, remember, is the system allow up to a certain leverage. So the leverage, total leverage we have set in the system is 10x. You can either reduce it by doing like this, increase it by pressing the plus, or control it like this. All depends on you. This is where you set your leverage. The higher the leverage, the higher the risk. We need to understand that. After you are done with the leverage, you come to amount settings. So you see here it's already set in the system 20 USDT. You can edit it and enter 1000 USDT based on your capital, 5 USDT, 100 USDT. Please enter this based on your capital. So example, I have chosen 10 USD 10 leverage. Now if I pick 20 USDT, you see it's now telling me the total cost is 200 USDT. So that's the meaning of leverage. Then if you finish that one, you are done with amount settings here. You are done with it. You move to trade settings. The trade settings, we have settings that has already been done in the system. You can decide to maintain what we have in the system, or you want to amend it, you can do so. You see in the settings, they said trade start callback. Here is 2%. So advisable normal is 0.2. So you maintain the 0.2% here. So if it is not 0.2 you see here, you can edit it and make it 0.2 as it is. So it's still the 0.2%. You take it. It means when you open trade, whether long or short, the bot will open the trade and send it to trade position and wait for the market to go up to 0.2% or 0.2% down before the trade will open and it become position. You need to set your stop loss as well. The stop loss, the system have 3%. You can maintain the 3% or you can increase it to make it 5%, 8%, depend on your own risk. We have margin calls. These margin calls are very important because they help you to averaging the current market price and your open price. So all the time it will help you to get closer to the current market price. The moment the market picks small, it will help you to be in profit and close your trade. Here the margin call is, total margin call is 5. You can decide to change it like this. Sorry, it's 3. You can decide to change it and make it 5. Or you can make it 7. But let's assume we are making it 5. Then we finish that portion. Whole position take profit ratio. What is the meaning of this? The meaning is you have set your profit target in the system. The system is using 0.5%. You said you want to change it, this portion. You can do so. So you just click here and make it 2%, which is okay. Now, when you finish that one, you come back to whole position take profit callback. That one means if the boat opens trade and sees that that particular trade is going on your way and it will exceed your whole position take profit, means your profit target, the boat is going to allow the trade to continue move on. So instead of you to make 20%, you can make 50%. But the moment the market turn and start coming down up to this percentage, the boat will initiate sell and close your trade in profit for you. So it's important you know how much you are setting. I advise don't change the 0.3%. Let's maintain it. When you are done with this, you can go click here and check margin call configuration. So you see the system have its own margin call configuration. The moment you choose 5, it means if the market goes down about 3% or your trade goes to negative 30% ROE, the boat will pick your first margin call. When it goes down 5.5, it will pick your second margin call. When it goes down 7%, meaning 70 ROE, it will pick your third margin call. That's how it's going to take your margin calls. If you think you want to make changes, you can make the changes by changing the figures. And the number of buy ratio, you can change it as well based on your capital. But we advise you, if possible, you can maintain what has been set in the system. Then when you finish, you click confirm. Technically, you are done with the trade settings. If you come down here, you see liquidation settings. On liquidation settings side, the system has been set 10 USDT for liquidating margin. It means if your account is about to be liquidated, Binance will take extra 10 USDT to extend your liquidation amount or term. That's the meaning. Add to prevent liquidation point. It means the system has said that if your amount is about to be liquidated and it get closer, remain just 1.3% for your trade to be liquidated, then margin call will pick. So that's why the margin settings is important. And because it was set 3, that's why you see save liquidation term is 3. When you are done with all the settings, you click confirm. Then your settings are modified. That's all. Then now you have finished settings, you need to open trade. So let me use inch. I come here. Before I open trade, I need to do my own analysis because I'm trading by myself. I will check 15 minutes chart. Inch is coming down. What is 1 hour telling me? That one to its potential, it will come down. 4 hours chart. What is it telling me? That one is either not going up or coming up, but looking at it is coming down. So looking at all this analysis, I can decide to open a trade short, and I'll click like this. I have opened my trade. I just need to come to the dashboard and click here and look at it. Your open trade is here, so you can click on it and see that. Look at the message here. Have you seen the message? Waiting for a dip of 0.2% before it will go to position. You see, position is 0. Now open trade is 1. So I'm waiting for it to go. If it was a mistake I did and I opened this trade, the trade will not go straight away. So I can click cancel. Then I cancel the order, and you see the trade has been cancelled successfully. So you can use this demo capital and do your settings here. After your settings, you can start, after finish the settings and confirm your settings, you can go ahead and trade. A lot of coins are on the platform. You can test your own trading strategies. If your settings is not good, you can change it. It's so simple. This is how we make profit in Meta futures. If you make profit, you can come to profit and check it. Thank you very much. I hope this will help guide you to understand how you can do your trade settings.